This is how easy it is to cook rice in a rice cooker. It's really simple. I go 1-to-1. So if I go 1 cup of rice, I do 1 cup of water, or 4 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. And this takes about, to be exact, 37 minutes. 37 minutes to cook rice in this rice cooker. Now, I also have a pressure cooker that I use. If I want to get something done real fast, I can put rice in that pressure cooker, and it's a 6-minute process. Really a 10-minute, because it takes it about 4 minutes to heat up. So you can cook rice in the pressure cooker in about 10 minutes. So what I did 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of water. Then I'm gonna heat my butter up in a microwave, and I'm gonna heat it up for about maybe 15-20 seconds. And I always use butter because it helps to keep the rice from sticking to the pan, and it makes it come out fluffy. I don't like the gummy rice. And what I do, I put about a teaspoon of salt, not much salt, because you get your flavor from whatever food that you're eating. Like we're cooking some jerk chicken, and it's gonna have a gravy on it. So I don't need to add too much salt to my rice. So once I take this out the microwave, I pour it in here with my rice. And you can use chicken broth, anything, beef broth, if you want a different type of flavor. But I'm adding butter and salt, and that's all. And I'm gonna stir it right here. Mix everything up well, and I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna hit white rice here on my cooker, the white rice. And like I said, it took exactly 37 minutes from once I pressed this button. So after 37 minutes, I heard it beeping. I came back, and I checked this rice out. And it is not gummy. This is perfect rice when you want for gumbo or anything. Like I said, I don't like my rice gummy. I like my rice to fall apart. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.